Mark, this is what our daughter will be like. Well done, babe, that was brilliant. Zoe.
I can't believe that you're only 11. Like, your voice sounds so mature for your age, and like the little like vocal techniques you chucked in, like the little like riffs and like the twang in your voice. It was like it was really like mature for your age, and you carried on when you had your little blip. You started singing, you went a bit thing, but you carried on, and that's very professional and mature. So well done. And also just let loose and just have fun. You're young and like, do you know what I mean? Just have fun. Well done.
Thanks,
Yeah, I had to like flip my piece of paper over and check your age, because I thought there's no way this girl is 11 at all. You do have a really sort of like old school, mature, even the way you were sort of like with your baby, it was the way that you pronounce it, the way that you made it slide. It's just so unique, especially for somebody your age to come into the competition and have such a unique sense of who you are and a unique style already. I'm so excited just to see what else you can do. And another thing that I picked up on was that's a really hard song to sing, especially with your breath control, because it's a lot of words and it's coming very, very fast. And you completely smashed that. You are so much better than you think you are. And I think this competition will really, really help you see that and realise exactly how good your voice is. You should be so proud of yourself. That was brilliant. Well done.
Thanks, Joey.
Tia, I genuinely felt, I spoke to you over in the corner earlier on, and he was like, oh my God, I need the word. You know these barriers that you've got with like words and that, like, I want people to know, because as far as I'm aware, you've had zero training, you've had no proper experience. This is something you've just done in the house, you know. And mum and dad and everyone are like, oh, she's singing, she's off. But this unique twang that you got, this little thing you do with your voice, this quirkiness, keep doing that, because that's you, all right? Keep doing it with all your songs. It was going to be nerve-wracking for you, because this is a very different environment. You're like, oh my God, I'm in front of judges and all this and that. But we are here to help. And I got to say, you know, this process, you know, we have people come into this, and you are 11. You've got to remember, you're 11 years of age, you know. And we have people that come in, and I can see straight away, you're the type of person that would benefit from this massively, a lot. Because I can see that at the moment, it's just like, oh, I'm just singing. All that will change dramatically, but you have to tell yourself, if we are going to believe in you, you've got to believe in what you are capable of, all right? So I say it to anyone, it's pointless being in this process if you're not going to work hard for it. And that goes to every contestant auditioning. You have to push yourself. You have to face the challenges. If you feel like something's stressing you out, speak to us about it. You know, we want to know what's your issue so we can help you resolve them. So that goes to everyone, mind, you know. But you have to trust in yourself. See? Didn't do bad at all. Do you get what I mean? You went up there then, you was really worried about not knowing the words, and you done that all the way through. And that's what I said, it's all about learning these little tricks. Just keep going, keep going, keep going. Other than that, we'll work on your presentation and how you come across and stuff. That's things you'll pick up in time. But vocally, you have got huge, not big, huge potential. That's what I believe. Well done.